Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's a big one for anyone driving a Ram in Alberta. How do you actually prevent rust and underbody corrosion on these trucks? If you've driven through an Alberta winter, you know the roads get covered in salt, sand, and brine, and that stuff is extremely hard on the underside of your truck. One of the best things you can do is regular underbody washing during the winter. Even just spraying off the frame, suspension, and wheel wells every couple weeks can make a huge difference. The goal is simply to remove the salt before it sits there and starts corroding metal. Now, people always ask about undercoating. It can definitely help, but it depends on the type. Some oil-based undercoatings actually work well because they creep into seams and displace moisture. But thick rubber-style coatings can sometimes trap moisture underneath if they get damaged, which can actually make rust worse. On Ram trucks in Alberta, there are a few areas that tend to rust first. Common spots include frame seams, rear wheel wells, cab corners, tailgate edges, and the suspension components that get constantly blasted with road spray. Another good habit is doing a quick inspection each spring. After winter, look underneath for chips in paint, surface rust starting on the frame, or areas where salt buildup sat all season. Catching that early makes it much easier to treat before it spreads. So the key things are washing the underbody regularly, using the right type of rust protection, and inspecting the truck after winter. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.